broadly, my group works on the application of machine learning and high throughput methods to surface science and catalysis. And just a couple of the applications that we work on are things like CO2 utilization. How do we take CO2 and electrochemically turn it into valuable fuels or products? Water splitting, making hydrogen or oxygen evolution more efficient. We do some work with collaborators on trying to design specific metals, metals with specific functional groups or specific nuclearities that target specific reactions. So if you want to do a specific industrially relevant hydrogenation reaction, how do we make that as efficient as possible? We work with friends, including Anubhav Jain, who I think gave one of the talks earlier in this, this workshop series on water quality and remediation problems. And then some things like polymers and metal interfaces and other open-ended design problems